VVS around my neck and they always shine and use VVS around my neck and they always shine and use auto-tune. These are my settings, just 21 retune speed and 48 humanize, and then add the key and scale. Next, we're going to add a compressor, negative 14.3, 8.5, 4.6, hard, and then these three are the same. Parametric EQ. Then we're going to add a limiter. I just went up here to presets and noise gate, and then I turn the ceiling down and the gain up. Then we got another compressor, this one heavier than the last one, and then another parametric EQ, and then a Maximus. All I did here was I went to presets, DS or narrowband, and I just turned this down a little bit. And then for my delay sidechain, we have these settings right here with a parametric EQ with the old telephone presets, which is right here. And then for my reverb sidechain, it is completely default. Bust them all and turn the delay and reverb sidechain down.